Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, I'm going to show how to troubleshoot this issue. No boot device found. Press any key to reboot the machine. As I'm using here the Dell laptop, but you can use any laptop or the system related to the Dell or the any other system. You can follow this guide. So first of all, we need to troubleshoot this issue that whether the hardware, the hard drive is detecting in the BIOS or not. So in order to check that, we have to shut down it forcefully here. Press the power key for almost 15 seconds. Now you can release it. So we are going to basically run the hardware diagnostic test on our system, and it will show all the result, all the components are okay or not in our system or the laptop. So in the other manufacturer guys, you have to go to the Google and type there what is the hardware diagnostic key for your particular model number, system number. Okay, so in the Dell laptop it will be F5. So let me turn it on, and once it turn on, I continuously hit the F5 key. Okay, now you can see the hardware diagnostic test will automatically run here. You just need to wait here guys. So it may take 3 to 4 minutes. It will test all the components related to the display, battery adapter. Press here Y. I'm able to see the display here. So unable to detect the charger, that's okay. I haven't connected with the charger. So this is the way to troubleshoot this issue before following any methods. This error related to the hard drive, since bootable hard drive is not detecting. So let me pause the video guys, and I will show once the test is done. And also you can see here testing memory in a progress. So one by one all the component like hardware component, CPU, RAM, hard drive, display, all will be tested here. Now you should see the testing is completed. Just click on OK here. Okay, and go to the side option here. You can see here, and now it will show you the result guys. You can see here all the components one by one. You will see here cables all should be green here, you can see, and especially the hard drive, it should be showing here the hard drive and it should be green. If there is any issue with the hard drive, it will be yellow explanation mark. So in this case guys, you have to replace the hard drive, as simple as that. So other component you can also check here and make sure all are green here. Okay, once you tested all the things are okay here, you can also click on the hard drive here like this, and you can also rerun particular hard drive test here. Once you click on that, just it will run here, you can see. So you need to make sure here that there is no issue with your hard drive. Short DST test and DST test should be passed here. Now you can see guys, we have rerun the hard drive test and test is passed here. So you have to make sure that the hard drive test is passed on your system, and you can also check its logs from result. Okay, you can see test is passed, and you can see here the logs, it passed. So once it is passed, we have make sure that hard drive is okay here. So we have to click on exit. Here is the option to exit. Now before exiting that, we have to go to the BIOS. So in the Dell laptop or the system, the BIOS key will be F2. In HP it will be escape or the F10 key, and in the Lenovo the same, or you can Google it. Click on OK here and let me press F2 continuously like this. So we are into the BIOS here. So we will see here more options here like system information, battery information, boot sequence. So boot sequence, go to the boot sequence here guys, and in here you should see your hard drive here, like diskable hard drive. It should be showing here. You can move it from up to down and make sure it is on the top. Hard drive should be on the top diskable drive. Okay, and if let's say it is not supporting, you can look for this option UEFI. In my system UEFI is supported. As you can see here, hard drive is showing here, its name and 256 GB, partition 1. So make sure it is showing here and it should be tick here. Once we have selected that, we have to click on apply. Basically we have changed the boot mode from legacy to the UEFI. Save changes and click on OK. And once you click on OK, click on exit, and it should boot now system into the normal mode. Now I need to press F1 to normal boot. And it should boot now. Since hard drive was showing there and we have changed the legacy to the UEFI, and now you can see issue got resolved. So if your issue is got resolved, then well and good. If not, again go to the BIOS and we have couple of options there. Let me show you here. Let me restart it, and I will continuously hit the F2 key once it gets restarted. So this is the process guide in every manufacturer. You have to follow like this. Just press the key continuously. Okay, now again we are into the BIOS mode. Okay, in here you have to choose some settings here. Boot sequence, we have changed that. Date and time, you need to make sure that date and time is correct here. So you can change here the date and time also. System configuration, go to the SATA operation and make sure RAID 1 or the AHCI is selected here. Try here the RAID 1 first. In my laptop it works like on the RAID, but in your system it may work on the AHCI. So let me try here to AHCI is working or not in my system, just to show you. Apply some settings, click on OK. Now click on exit. So just showing you the mode from RAID to AHCI, and let's see if my laptop boots or not. Yes, it is booting now. So you can see my laptop is booting in the both like AHCI as well as the RAID 5. So you can select one by one whichever is working. If not working, just revert back them to the default. And now the next step will be the default settings. We are going to configure that. Let me press F1. Okay, seems like window is not loading. Okay, once we selected the AHCI, window is not loading, and redirecting again to the go to the same options. Okay, you can see AHCI is not working on my laptop, so I have to press F2 here and revert back to the same mode, SATA operation RAID on. Okay, I am selecting this option since AHCI is not working, but you can try. Let me save as custom user setting. Yes. Okay, so we have selected the option here, like this option we have selected RAID on. Okay, so I should exit now and it will work, I'm sure, since the RAID 1 is already working here, so it should work. Okay, and in the older window AHCI should work fine, but in the newer you may try RAID 1 also, RAID on. So if you are not sure, like nothing is working here, something is missing, or you are not able to see anything here, the last option you can try here is restore setting. So this will restore the setting to the defaults. Okay, and select here the BIOS default setting, or you can choose the factory settings here. So I suggest you to choose BIOS default and click on OK. And if the BIOS one is not working, you can go one by one: factory settings, last known settings, and custom user setting, and click on OK, and click on OK here, and click on exit. Now restore setting is done, and click on exit. And now this should work now. Since we have restored our setting to the BIOS default settings, now it should load the windows. Now you can see issue got resolved. So this is how guys you can fix the issue: no boot device found on the Dell laptop or the system or the any other laptop. So hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and also share anyone else who is facing this issue, or in the future reference you can save this video. You might get this issue as well. So thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.